Ford Focus 2012 through 2018, 2-liter Duratec. Have you ever been changing the valve cover gasket and these little pieces of the VCT solenoid seals get stuck on the VCT solenoids? Well, let me show you a trick. What I did to get this front one off here is I got a pair of channel locks. Carefully, with one hand, grab onto the seal and grip on a little bit. Don't go crazy with it. Break the bond, pull upward. All right, well, that's nice and loose now. So what I did is once it broke the bond, I was able to pull it up with both hands. Okay, I feel it coming up. There we go. They would have not have budged before, but once I broke the bond, that's the trick. And also a little bit of lube, a little bit of WD-40 or something. Every little bit helps when you go to slide it up. So here you go, guys. Hope this short video helps you out on your journey with the valve cover gasket. Okay. I do have a 30-minute video on how to change the gasket. I'll link it in the description below. You guys have a great day.